Stop buying the wrong premium robot vacuums. If you're still scrubbing floors and wrestling with a traditional vacuum in 2026, you're doing it wrong. We've tested every high-end robot vacuum that matters this year to bring you the definitive list of the best of the best. These aren't just gadgets, they're investments in spotless floors and reclaimable time. And trust me, you absolutely do not want to miss our number one pick. It's a game changer that makes all the others look like toys. Let's dive into the future of clean, starting with our number 5 spot. Coming in at number 5, we have the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Shark has been aggressively pushing into the premium space, and the AI Ultra for 2026 really shines with its powerful suction and advanced AI mapping. This thing can identify and navigate around obstacles with impressive accuracy, learning your home layout faster than ever. It's particularly fantastic for pet owners, thanks to its self-empty base that can hold weeks of debris and a brush roll designed to avoid hair tangles. Who is it for? If you want true set-it-and-forget-it convenience, excellent cleaning performance for both hard floors and carpets, and a self-emptying system that works, all without the absolute top-tier price tag of some rivals, the Shark AI Ultra is your champion. But here's the honest flaw. While the vacuuming performance is undeniably strong, its mopping capability, if you spring for that upgrade, still lags behind the truly integrated mop and vac systems higher up on our list. It's good for light upkeep, but not for deep floor scrubbing. Now, if you appreciate smart navigation but perhaps need even more reliability, particularly around common household hazards, then our next pick might be exactly what you've been looking for. Sliding into the number 4 position, we have the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. Roomba practically invented this category, and the J7 Plus continues their legacy of innovation, especially when it comes to obstacle avoidance. This model from 2026 boasts even more refined POP guarantee protection. Yes, it will avoid pet waste, charging cables, and shoes with uncanny precision. Its suction is robust, the navigation is incredibly consistent, and the simple, intuitive app makes scheduling and zone cleaning a breeze. This is the ultimate choice for pet owners who've been burned by other robots dragging messes, or anyone who values absolute peace of mind knowing their robot won't get stuck or cause a disaster. Roomba's reliability is legendary. However, its honest flaw is that while it vacuums like a pro, its mopping attachment feels like an add-on rather than a core, integrated feature. It gets the job done, but it's not designed for the intense, deep clean mopping that some of its hybrid competitors excel at. It's still a vacuum first and foremost. But what if you demand the perfect blend of powerful vacuuming and serious mopping from one device? Our number 3 pick delivers exactly that. Taking the bronze medal at number 3, it's the DreameL10s Ultra. This robot vacuum and mop is a marvel of automation. It doesn't just vacuum and mop, it returns to its dock to automatically empty its dustbin, refill its water tank, clean its mop pads, and then dry them with hot air to prevent mildew. Its suction power is phenomenal, and the rotating dual mop pads scrub floors with real force, lifting stains that other robots just glide over. The navigation is pinpoint accurate thanks to advanced LiDAR. The DreameL10s Ultra is perfect for tech-savvy users with busy lives who want a truly hands-off, sparkling clean home. It's an all-in-one powerhouse for hard floors and carpets alike. The honest flaw here? While the dock is incredibly feature-rich, its physical footprint is quite substantial. You'll need a dedicated space for this beast, and sometimes its advanced software can have a slight learning curve compared to Roomba's sheer simplicity. And if you thought that level of automation was impressive, prepare to be absolutely floored by our number 2 pick, which takes the smart home aspect even further. Our silver medalist, at number 2, is the Ecovacs Deebot X11 Omni. Ecovacs continues to push boundaries, and the X11 Omni for 2026 is a statement piece. It shares many of the incredible self-maintenance features of the Dream, including auto-empty, autofill, auto-clean mop, and hot air drying. But where it elevates the experience is with its enhanced AI-driven obstacle avoidance and its built-in voice assistant, Eco, allowing you to command your cleaning with just your voice. Its mopping system is particularly outstanding, lifting and oscillating to ensure every inch of your floor is spotless. This is the dream machine for the ultimate smart home enthusiast, someone who wants a completely integrated, voice-controlled, and impeccably clean living space. It's a luxury experience from start to finish. However, the honest flaw of the X11 Omni is its premium price tag, which puts it out of reach for many. Also, while Eco is cool, not everyone will use a robot's dedicated voice assistant when they already have Alexa or Google Assistant. It's an extra feature that might feel redundant to some. Alright, we've covered some truly incredible machines, but only one can reign supreme. The robot vacuum that combines unparalleled cleaning performance, the most advanced self-maintenance dock, and rock-solid reliability into one unbeatable package. It's the robot vacuum that makes all others look like they're still stuck in the past. And the number one high-end robot vacuum of 2026, the premium pick that takes the crown, is the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. Roborock has consistently delivered excellence, and the S8 Pro Ultra is their magnum opus. Its dual-roller riser brush system lifts carpets to vacuum deeper, while the Viberize 2.0 mopping system scrubs floors with sonic vibration, lifting up to 30% more stains than its predecessor. The RockDock Ultra is simply the best all-in-one solution available, offering automatic dust emptying, water tank refilling, mop cleaning, and even a hot air drying function for the mop pads, all with minimal noise. Its navigation is flawless, and the app is incredibly powerful yet easy to use. Who is this for? The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is for anyone who demands the absolute best, no compromises, no hassle. If you want the most thorough vacuuming, the most effective mopping, and the most hands-off experience currently possible, this is your robot. It truly defines premium. Now for its honest flaw, prepare your wallet. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra sits at the very pinnacle of robot vacuum pricing. It's an investment, but one that undeniably pays off in pristine floors and countless hours saved. There you have it, the top 5 premium robot vacuums of 2026. Every one of these will transform your home, but the right one for you depends on your specific needs and budget. To make sure you get the best deal on any of these incredible machines, make sure to check the pinned comment and description below for the best prices right now. Don't waste another minute pushing a vacuum or scrubbing floors. Upgrade your clean today.